It's not near 100. Here's what we're going to be watching off the coast and in the tropics. There is a trough of low pressure that is moving across the region. That's what gave us the rain yesterday, and this morning we still are under the influence of that trough. This is over the past 6 hours. Notice some showers and storms out in the Gulf, kind of a broad circulation with that trough of low pressure, but nothing really organized at this point. What might happen over the next several days is this trough of low pressure and area of showers and storms is going to continue to slowly drift off towards the west here to the western Gulf, and it will have a chance to try to organize some. It's under relatively low wind shear in the Gulf waters. They are boiling hot in the upper 80s to near 90, and all that coupled together, meaning some of these showers and storms could try to come together, especially as they get closer and closer and further off towards the west off the Texas coast. So this is what we'll be watching over the next about 48 to 72 hours or so. Now, with this moving away from us, even if it does try to organize, our forecast doesn't look like it's going to change all that much. We'll have scattered showers and thunderstorms around for a big part of the work week. So throwing you precision cast showing you through today, through tomorrow. There's that trough of low pressure trying to organize some, a broad circulation trying to come together as we go into maybe later today or tomorrow and Wednesday. And then eventually, if something does try to develop or whatever develops here, we'll then lift up to the north towards Texas, and us just still dealing with some scattered showers and storms. So definitely something we'll keep an eye on, but doesn't really look like, regardless of development, our forecast is going to change. We'll have the scattered storms around through a big part of the work week. When it's all said and done, 2 to 4 inches in our area. A little bit higher totals are possible, especially closer to the Texas coast from the influence of that feature. 2 other areas out in the tropic. Invest 94 here, and another tropical wave now being highlighted. This tropical wave is going to lift northwest. That'll have a chance to maybe develop by this weekend closer to the Lesser Antilles. But Invest 94 here is on the verge of becoming our next tropical cyclone, meaning a depression or maybe Bonnie. That's our next name. It does look like this one's going to ride west here. It'll have a pretty good chance of developing in the next day or so and move right to the north of South America towards Aruba and going into Central America by this weekend. So could be a named storm in the extreme southern part of the Caribbean throughout this week. And as I mentioned, the next name is Bonnie, but right now it doesn't look like that one's going to be able to get far north because of our strong ridge of high pressure. So no really big immediate threats in the tropics for our area, but we do have some showers and storms, which we certainly need. And with those showers and storms around, temperatures just slightly below normal, around 90 degrees with plenty of humidity.